how to refund items on Roblox. What you have to do is click on settings. After that, you get many options, but you need to scroll down to find help. When you click that, you'll be redirected to official Roblox website. Go to search option and just search contact us button. Once again redirected to another page, you'll get a paragraph why you should contact Roblox support, but you can just ignore all of the text and go straight to support form. You'll get option to create or click login, and I presume you already have accounts, so just go login and type your informations here. After a login, you'll get a new page where you should put your email address twice for verification and put category of your problem for a device. You pick iPhone, Android, iPad or something else, and it all depends on your mobile device you're using. For help category, you have to find Roblox toys. Then once again, pick physical Roblox toy. Now you can type something like hello, I would like a refund for this or that, and it will be reviewed by its support. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.